Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol LCID for Lucid Group. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly here on the channel. The main thing to point out is that we are building nothing more than a big bear flag on the daily. If we zoom in even a little bit more here, we have a big flush point that's in play, essentially flag lows around 26 even. It's 3-day lows. We have 3 days of back-to-back unchanged value. The buyers have failed to really take it towards the top end of the flag here, closer to 31. It just doesn't look fantastic here for a long-sided setup. And if we take a look at the 30-minute time frame, right, we can even start to look at this as a descending triangle. I could take out a short-term resistance trend line, come in from this high, do something like that, just illustrating that we clearly have lower highs that are continuously developing. If we break this area of support, again, roughly 26, we would expect to move into 2350 coming from, on the daily time frame, the low end of this prior consolidation, right? So to me, that's the more likely scenario based on everything that we're seeing, sort of time frame continuity, right? You would see a bearish pattern here, a bearish pattern here, descending triangle. If it all pans out, the target will be here at 2350. So that's my take to the downside. If it's going to turn and be bullish, it's got to be outside of this 3-day range that we talked about from the daily time frame there, up and over 2818. And if that happens, again, I would probably, because of the bearish nature of the daily time frame, I would want to see something like this. I would want to see a break and then retest that hold somewhere for a higher low, sort of giving us more confidence that maybe a trend change is underway, and then either a break over that high that we set here, or trying to get long on the pullback if it wants to act nicely and pull back into a known area of support, which would be coming from prior resistance, right? So that's how I'm thinking about reversals here, but the downside patterns do look a little bit more attractive. Obviously, we closed weak with a red bar today, so take all of this for what you will. Bearish patterns, but we do also have some bullish scenarios up and over that little resistance area we just discussed. So that's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.